Myself, Mrs. Sowmya, Associate Professor, SDM College of Business Management, Mangalore. Today, I am going to present a topic on Interactive SQL Basic Concepts. In this chapter, we will learn the basics of Database Management System and SQL. We will understand what a database is, why DBMS is used, and how SQL helps us create, store, retrieve, and manage the data efficiently. We will also discuss Oracle data types, which define the type of data that can be stored in database tables. Moving on to the first slide. Welcome everyone. Let's start by understanding what a database is. A database is a collection of organized data. It helps us store, manage, and retrieve information easily whenever required. For example, our college stores student details such as roll number, name, course, and marks in a database. Similarly, your mobile phone stores all your contacts in a database. Without a database, finding or updating information would take much more time. In simple words, a database is like a digital storage system that keeps information organized. Now, let's move on to the next topic, Database Management System or DBMS. Now let's understand DBMS, which stands for Database Management System. A DBMS is software that helps us create, store, retrieve, update and delete the data from the database. It acts as a bridge between the user and the database. For example, some popular DBMS software are Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and SQLite. Now, let's discuss the advantages of DBMS. First, it makes storing and retrieving data easily. You can quickly save new information and search for existing records. Second, multiple users can access the same database at the same time without affecting each other's work. Third, a DBMS provides better security by allowing only authorized users to access the data. It also offers access to information and reduces duplicate data, which improves data consistency. Because of these advantages, DBMS is widely used in banks, colleges, hospitals, offices, and many other organizations. Now let's know about RDBMS. RDBMS, as the term stands for, Relational Database Management System. Here, data is stored in the form of tables. Each table contains rows and columns. Relationships between tables are created using the constraints primary key and foreign key. And data is actually stored in the row and column format in a table, which is also called as relation. Now, regarding the next topic, Oracle database. Oracle database is one of the most popular relational database management system that was developed by Oracle Corporation. It supports multiple users at the same time, offers high security, and provides excellent performance. SQL. SQL, the term stands for Structured Query Language. It is the standard language that is used to communicate with the relational databases. Using SQL, We can create tables, insert the records into the table, retrieve the information from the table, update the existing data, as well as delete the unwanted data. By making use of a set of SQL commands, we can perform all these database operations. Next topic regarding the table fundamentals. So in an RDBMS, data is stored inside the table, where a table consists of rows and columns. Rows represent individual records, columns represent fields. A table is a structured format to store the data in rows and column format. For example, a student table may contain columns or fields such as roll number, name and course. Referring to the example that is given here, the student table here consists of 3 rows or 3 records with ID, roll number as the column name, student name, age and course. These are the column names where ID can be considered as a primary key for unique identification of the student. About Oracle data types, Oracle supports the following data types. Every column in a table must have a data type, and Oracle provides these different data types such as char, where char2, number data type, date and time data type, and long data type. So here in this slide, short description about the syntax of each of the data type as well as the example for each of the data type is provided. So referring to the syntax of the first data type, char data type, char within bracket the size of the characters to be included, where char2 the format is the same, where char2 within bracket the size of the characters to be written, close the bracket. Number data type has a format number p, s, where p stands for the total number of digits in the value, p stands for the precision, s stands for the scale, which means after the decimal point the number of digits is included in the scale. Next is regarding the date data type, where the date is written in the format dd hyphen first 3 letters of the month hyphen the year, and the last one the long data type. Thank you for your attention.